Welcome dear students, welcome to online classes. Today I am going to start a lecture series on Sadharan Rasa. Kampillascha apro gori pashanahu navsadaraha kaparto vannijarascha giri sindur hingulha mridar shrangam iti ashto sadharan rasaha smritaha रस सिद्धि करह प्रोक्ता नागार्जुन पुरः सरह रस रत्न समुच्चय तीसरा अध्याय. In Sadharan Rasa, dravyas of ordinary utility to Parad have been included. These dravyas are number 1 Kampillak, Gori Pashan, Navsadar, Kapard, Agnijar, Giri Sindur, Hingul and Mridarshan. We will discuss each of these dravyas one by one in detail. Number 1 dravya is Kampillak. The first and important thing is Kampillak is not a mineral. It is the dravya of plant origin. In spite of being plant origin, it is included in Sadharan Rasa due to its importance in mercurial preparations or Paradiya Karma. Latin name Mallotus philippinensis. It belongs to family Euphorbiaceae. Its synonyms are Raktachurnak, Lohitang, Rechan, Karkash, Rochan, Raktang, Chandra, Kampilya, Dhatu, Ranjan, Varnak, Vranshodhak and Raktashantikrit. Synonyms like Raktachurnak, Lohitang, Raktang and Chandra indicates towards its appearance, that is brick red in color. Synonym Kampilya is given due to its abundance in Kampilla Kshetra or Saurashtra Kshetra. Vranshodhak, Raktashantikrit and Rechan synonyms are due to its therapeutic properties, and synonyms like Ranjan and Varnak indicates towards its Ranjan property. The tree grows throughout tropical India up to a height of 1500 meter and also in Saurashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Sri Lanka and Malaysia. As I told earlier, due to its abundance in Kampilla and Saurashtra Kshetra, it is known as Kampillak and Saurashtrach. Fruiting time is Feb to March. Fruits are small, round and on ripening become covered with a bright crimson layer of minute, readily detachable reddish granules. These mature fruits are collected in a mesh and by rubbing and shaking, Phalraj is filtered and collected. This Phalraj is known as Kampillak and it consists of hair and glands of fruits of Mallotus philippinensis. Chemical composition. Phalraj contains a brownish red resin composed of a crystalline substance called rotularin. This rotularin is the main active constituents. Beside it, volatile oils, sugar, starch, tannins, oxalic and citric acids are also present. Adulteration. Brick powder or wood scrap, commonly known as burada, and the ripened red fruit of banyan tree are added in Kampillak powder due to only for economic benefit. Shodhan of Kampillak. As per Ayurveda Rasashastra, Shodhan of Kampillak is performed to remove adulteration. For this, Kampillak is mixed with water and rubbed. Generally, 500 gram of Kampillak is poured into 10 liter of water and rubbed with hands for 5 to 10 minutes. Shuddh Kampillak floats over the surface of water while brick powder or wood burada sink down if present. This Shuddh Kampillak is collected over the surface of water, dried and preserved for further use. In Ras Jal Nidhi, Shodhan of Kampillak is done by following Mardan technique. Here, Kampillak is subjected to bhavna with juices of Matulung and Adrakswaras for 3 times. In Baswarasyam, Swedan technique is indicated for the Shodhan of Kampillak. Here, Kampillak is purified by boiling it with Haritiki Kashaya or Kanji in Dolayantra. As Kampillak is of plant origin, so Maran and Satvapatan process are not advised for it. Only Shuddh Kampillak is used in formulations. Now, identification test for Shuddh Kampillak. These identification tests are given in book Rasamrit. These tests are given to check the genuineness of sample of Shuddh Kampillak. These are: number 1, it is very soft crimson colored powder. Number 2, pure Kampillak floats over water, means pure Kampillak is insoluble in cold water and impurities like mud, sand, brick powder settles down at the bottom. So it is very important test which we also use in the Shodhan of Kampillak. Kampillak neither sinks in the water nor it dissolves in water, it floats over water. Number 3, Kampillak powder when put on fire, it produces sparking. Number 4, the wet powder of Kampillak may produce yellow line on white paper when rubbed with fingertip. Pharmacological properties. Ras, Katu, Gun, Laghu, Ruksha, Tikshna, Virya, Ushna, Vipak, Katu. Dosh Karm, Kaf Vat Shamak, Karm, Rechak, Kramigna, Vibhedi, Aam Pachan, Deepan and Asrajit. Asrajit means it has a purifying effect on blood. So used in Vrana Chikitsa. Therapeutic use. Kampillak is used both externally and internally. Externally, it is used in Kandu, Pama, Kusht and Vrana, and it is internally administered in case of Udar Rog, Gulma Rog, Krami Rog, Rakta Vikar, Kusht, Shudra Kusht and diseases in which Virechan Karm is advised. Means a general indication is given that all diseases where Virechan Karm is advised as a treatment procedure, we can use Kampillak. Dose 4 to 6 Rati, and if we want to use it for Virechan Karm, then dose is mentioned as 3 to 6 Masha. Anupan, Gud, Sharkara, Takr, Madhu and Dukt is given as Anupan. Toxic effect. Larger dose can cause nausea, purging and severe spasmodic pain. Formulations of Kampillak. Kampillak Malhar. It is used externally for Kusht and Shudra Kusht. Kramigni Vatika used for Krami Rog, intestinal worms, Patoladi Chun in Udar Rog, Bindu Ghrat indicated in Udar Rog for Virechan Karm, Vipadika Hartel. It is a well-known formulation used for cracked hands and pit, and Kusthadya Tel for Shudra Kusht. Thank you.